Hello, everyone. Today we're going to see how you can open up a pop-up form from a button that you have embedded on an HTML page in Zoho Creator. And we're going to check this example here. We have under here, there is a HTML page. As you can see, I'm going to edit the page. And there's just HTML underneath here. And on this page, we have some buttons here. There is a button to upload an image. There's a button to upload a PDF, and there's also a button to add a note. The main difference here, as you see, the add note is opening the form directly from the href, but the other buttons above are opening a page. And this is practically the solution that we came up to trigger the opening of a pop-up when you embed the form inside a button on an HTML page. Notice how even this script right here, we are passing the parameter, Zoho Creator Popup, and we're giving him the width and the height. But you'll see that this particular script doesn't work. So we had to come up with a workaround through a page instead of a form directly in order to accomplish the goal that we're looking for. And let me show you what I mean by that. So again, let's go back to the page that we were on. So here it is. Notice how if I trigger any of these buttons, I'm going to get the pop-up here, right? But if I trigger these one, the add nodes, I get the complete form embedded on the entire screen, which is okay. I mean, this will work and it will do the job, but it doesn't look as nice as this pop-up that doesn't interfere with the information that may be under here. So how do we make sure that this other button behaves the same way as the others? Well, the answer is use a function to trigger the open URL and trigger that from the button embedded on the page. So let me show you what I mean by that. So we created a workflow. If you go to the functions, we have different open. We have an open space with the functions of, open a workflow image in this case. So this function, all it does is opening the URL, and it opens the URL using the form, which is in Zoho Creator, right? But then we have a page, a full page, just to open the workflow image. And in this case, you'll see that the HTML snippet, it only has, or it's only calling the function. And that's the workaround that you can do to accomplish, the pop-up window when you are triggering it from an embedded button on an HTML page. So again, if I go back to the page that we were on, these buttons trigger the pop-up correctly because we're using the page. And then when you open that page, the page only contains the function to open. You see here, we're opening a page to open the features. And inside this page, there's only a function to open the URL that we want. So I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments and we'll be glad to help you out put this together. But it's basically, opening a URL inside an intermediary page that all it does is trigger that function. And that page is the one that you trigger on the embedded button in your HTML page. So I hope this helps. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions and need additional clarification. We'll be more than glad to help you out.